In this video, we are going to learn introduction to computer mouse, and this is coming up. Computer mouse is an input device that controls the movement of the cursor on the computer screen. Computer mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart on the year 1960s. There are two main types of computer mouse. These are mechanical mouse and optical mouse. Mechanical mouse are mouse that works by the movement of the mechanical ball under the mouse. Optical mouse are mouse that works by the reflection of the light under the mouse. These are the four types of mouse connectivity that we have. This session talks about the parts of computer mouse. We have the right button, left button, body, screw wheel, and wire. This session also talks about the uses of computer mouse. Thank you for watching out this video. Subscribe for more educational videos.